How much will you drink the whole this for? Hello. Hello. Check this out. Hello everyone, my name is Alex Salanko and currently I'm in China to ride the FMB World Tour event. I'm gonna film some clips for you and hopefully find some funny Chinese stuff as well. Start of the course, step down, first jump, second jump, hip and the last jump. Hello. Hello. Chinese people are so stoked all the time. Yep. So funny. Ooh, nice. First practice just went down, felt pretty good. Up, 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 up. Is it easy to order food here, Victor? When you're choosing food here, you need to like point on pictures and have it translated before, otherwise you're fucked.
So we wanted this one, but without the meat, but we wanted some vegetables, but I don't think they had it, so we'll see.
It's like a lottery, basically. We'll see. Okay, we got our food. Or was it?
A bit hot.
Okay, it's a bit more hot than I'm used to. I'm not sure if I can finish this. Spicy and warm. How much will you drink the whole this for?
10,000. Oh, 1,000 euros.
1,000 euros?
Yeah.
Okay, do it. I give you 1,000 euros. I keep the money. There's always so much weird stuff in the supermarkets here. Like this. I think it's rice inside. Check this out. Ooh. I don't even know what it is. 6th street session coming up. Okay, are you pumped, Victor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Send it. Ah.
Big 360 drop in. Yeah. Large flip. Oh, front flip bar. Nice tabletop 1/4. Oh, and a barrel.
Okay, yeah, we both qualified for the finals tomorrow, so we're gonna send it.
Yeah.
Didn't do what we wanted, but still in. So
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, bangers.
Bangers.
Victor Johan, 86. He's going to try to move up. Podium or better would basically be in the 90s.
He is ready to go.
Here we go, Victor. There you go. Nice 360 bar spin with the X up into the front flip double bar spin. Ryan, that was super smooth.
Going into a double flip. Victor is on one right there, but not getting the trick off the hip right there is going to hinder him. But a huge cash roll.
Yeah, you can see the smile under that mouthpiece right there.
It's known as the land of abundance because it has an amazing set of natural resources. So this is one of the most naturally set parks in China. But wow, look at that cork 720 from Alex Salanko. Let's get back to the riding action. Backflip, tail whip right there into a nice tail up over the hip. Perfect landing on that one. A 360 triple bar spin for Alanko.
That was a big run right there. Alenko is psyched, putting the hands up. Little fun fact about that 360 triple bar spin. First rider to ever do that on a mountain bike was Chris Duncan. So we are waiting for our scores to come in, and sometimes when the judges take a moment, that means that we've got a big score, and we have a second rider in the 90s. So Alenko bumping up into that second spot right there.
Okay, finals is done. Me and Victor did pretty good. We both landed some sick runs, but yeah, we can always improve. Fuck yeah.
Good, but not perfect.